morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, thank you for this opportunity that given to me. In this speech, we will explain about not everyone can be a teacher, where education needs heart, not just knowledge. Alright, let's move to introduction. Everyone think that they can be a teacher, just explain the lesson, give some homework, and you're done. And then you say, but a teaching that is that easy. Mm, then why is our education still stuck in the same place? Ladies and gentlemen, we live in the world where the profession of teaching is often seen as second class, and we live in a country where education is reduced to a race for grades, a system where students memorize fact to pass exam, not to understand life. This is dangerous. Why? Because education is supposed to shape wisdom, not just give us certificate, and teachers are supposed to shape character, not just hand out assignment. As a second semester English education student, I've experienced, I've experienced both sides being taught and learning how to teach. I've come to this conclusion. We must stop treating education as a task to finish and start treating it as a lifelong journey of wisdom. And that journey began with respecting the role of teacher. Today I want to talk to you, convince you three things. First, the teaching is profession is misunderstood and undervalued. Second, our education system is focuses on grades instead of wisdom. And the third, we must respect teacher and reform how we learn, starting from ourselves. Okay, let's move to the first step or the point. The teaching profession is misunderstood and undervalued. Many people believe that teaching is easy, anyone can do it. But if that's true, why do so many teachers in Indonesia feel exhausted and unappreciated? According to Compass report in 2023, 64% of Indonesian teachers said they were emotionally drained. Many of them are overworked, underpaid, and treated as helpers, not professionals. The result, talented people avoiding becoming teacher, and even those who do enter the field may lose their passion because society doesn't support them. I once met a junior high school student who said, I don't listen to my teacher, she just read from slide. That's not education. That was opportunity. A teacher is not a PowerPoint reader. A teacher building is builder of people. Point two. Our education system focuses on grade, not wisdom. Let me ask you this. Why do you study? Most students would say to get a good grade, graduate, and find a job. That's the minds were tough from the beginning. But education is not supposed to be just a passport to employment. It should be a place to learn how to think, how to ask questions, how to be human, how do we want to be. Education that focuses only on great graduates who are smart on paper but confused on the real life. They can do calculus but don't know how to work in team. They memorizing theory but don't understand responsibility or empathy. This is a system that needs to change this. And change began by changing how we see teacher, not just academic instructor, but as a role model and moral guide. Let's move to the next point. We must respect teacher and reform how we learn. So, what should we do? First, let's start with ourselves. We must learn with curiosity, not just with fear of failure. Ask questions, think critically, study not to pass, but to grow. Second, we must recognize teachers as professional, not last workers. That means better training, better pay, and better respect. Third, we must build a culture where teaching is seen as honorable paid, because no nation can rise above the quality of its educator. If we do this, we'll see classroom full of passion. We'll see young people learning value, not just vocabulary. We'll see students who want to grow into wise, responsible citizens, not just workers with degree. But if we keep treating education like a factory and teacher like machine, will raise generation that may be smart but shallow. Degree without direction is knowledge about wisdom. And the conclusion. So I ask you today, what kind of learners do we want to be? What kind of future do we want to build? Let's restore the dignity of the teaching profession. Let's stop kissing grades and start kissing growth. Let be learners who value wisdom and respect, who guide us toward it. Because in the end, and we can explain a textbook, but only a true teacher can save a soul and what our nation truly needs. Remind again, as I said at the beginning, teaching is not only transfers knowledge, it's about shaping character, attitude student to being a good student. And I think that's all for me. Uh, Thank you. Bye bye.